I had my eye on ShipHero for a long time now. I want them all to use ShipHero. So I have like 2 other warehouses that I found they were looking for a WMS system. And I'm like, no, you guys got to go on ShipHero. You got to go. I had the vision of like doing ECOMSPACES with all the other services that online business will need to grow. People can come here, they learn, we have workshops, we have events, they can come and create content. I was like, whenever I will have a space large enough, I will want to share that space with online sellers, because when you work from home, this is the most difficult part. You are isolated. You don't have support. You don't know what you're doing. You're going to spend a lot of money hiring the wrong people or the wrong services at the wrong time. And it's just, I cried so many nights, weekends, and I don't wish that to nobody. And then what happens is like some people have amazing products and then they end up quitting because they're like, I cannot do this, but the products are amazing. So we know the consumers want good product. So we got to help these people. The core services product that we provide are like fulfillment services. So that's the main reason I use ShipHero. We use mainly for fulfillment and B2B services as well, like retail, Walmart, Target, Amazon. And that's also the service that people want to outsource first, because they're like, if I want to grow, I need to have my shipping streamlined before I even grow my business. It's a software they use for themselves. So they already know what's needed and what's priority. And I see it in the updates. So every month we get like new features and new things. And I'm like, haha, they did this and we had the same issue and they find a solution. And that's very good that you guys are using it. I would say being able to have like this platform for the clients is really helping them as well grow and being more organized. And so people have a better visual on their inventory, so they can order when they need to, they can see their order. So we have more time to do other things better. So really time management, just to pay that price actually free a lot of time to us so we can do other things in the business. So for me, that was the biggest success and the clients love it. Like so far, all the clients are amazed, like, oh my God, this platform has everything. The other thing that I really like with ShipHero is that we have the option to either use our shipping accounts or use the client's shipping account. And that wasn't something I was thinking about before. Like cash flow wise, it's such a difference. Before ShipHero, we were shipping about like maybe like 100 orders and less a day. And we were like busy all day, like just doing and now that we get ShipHero, we ship like thousands a day, and so it's really a big difference. Like the bulk ship is a game changer. We can also hire more people easily because the process is streamlined. Just the pick is amazing. The warehouse is more organized. We know where everything is. One like from having like less than 10 clients, now we have like 50 plus, probably 60 plus, a waiting list of hundreds of people. Now everybody wants to do fulfillment here. That's really, for me, it's like a huge growth. We're not even planning to grow that fast. Without ShipHero, that would have been impossible. It's worth the investment. It's a very solid platform for sure.